Foods that do not belong in the refrigerator spoil faster and lose their properties there. Potatoes. In the refrigerator, potato starch is converted to glucose and it is not recommended to use extra sugar. Onions will get moldy in there. Tomatoes should not be placed in frost and moisture. Honey. The cold disturbs its viscosity. Citrus fruits, in the refrigerator, will spoil faster, rot and go moldy. Greens in the refrigerator begin to wilt quickly, get moldy, and lose their vitamins and beneficial antioxidants. Olive oil will freeze and become hard. The optimal temperature for olive oil is 12 to 16 degrees. Garlic in the refrigerator will sprout and become soft. Berries are to be consumed as soon as possible or frozen. Watermelon in the refrigerator loses valuable carotenoids. More information on my channel.